Hey guys, today I'm here to react to BTOB-BLUE's new song called When It Rains, so I take it this is their vocal subunit. So I'm expecting some really good vocals, and by the title of the song, it seems like it's probably going to be a more like slow ballad kind of song, like emotional, intense vocals, all that, so we'll see in a moment. I don't know, but I'm excited to watch it, so let's go. Coming back home, I'm assuming. Oh, he's baking. It looks good. Carrying home his baguettes. Aesthetic. Trying to understand as much of the lyrics as I can. Sorry, I'm focusing so much on understanding the lyrics that I'm not saying a lot. Flowers. It's beautiful. Is he preparing for someone or something? Something peaceful about looking out at the rain. Soothing. Coffee. It's very peaceful. So depressing. The vocals, oh my god. Oh, those look so nice. Ah, the gold foil. Oh my god, I want to go to that bakery now. Is he writing or drawing? Probably writing something. It's so beautiful. It's a tattoo. I just noticed that. This is so calm. I love it. I feel so at peace watching this somehow. Eating the pastries and drinking their tea. All together finally. Very suiting video for the title, When It Rains. Oh, that was beautiful. lately I've been watching through a lot of music videos like this that are made for like slow, usually sad ballad songs and tell a story. And a lot of the time now I can keep up with the lyrics pretty well, and I'm so happy and like proud of myself for that. Like, even though it's a sad song, like I get excited that I'm understanding it and stuff, and like it's more meaningful when you can like listen and understand than it is as you read, because like that distracts you a little bit. So I'm getting better there. Like, I understood a lot of the grammar in this. I feel like I'm missing a little bit of vocabulary to fully grasp the concept, but I'm getting there. And yeah, so it's so satisfying listening and like realizing how much you get. That, I don't know, that just makes me so happy, makes me proud of like how far I'm coming with learning Korean. But anyway, I thought the song was beautiful. Back to the point, right? I strayed way too far from where I was planning to go. I thought the song was absolutely beautiful, and their vocals were incredible. Just the whole way through was so soothing, and music videos like this just really like calm me down, and I can completely just get away from the real world for a little bit and follow the storyline of this video. I think that's really, really beautiful. I love watching things like this to just like take me away from the real world for a little bit and kind of make me feel something a little more than I normally would in my daily life. So I really enjoyed that. Like, the quiet rain and everything is so nice. Not when you wake up to it in the morning. That I don't like. That happened today. It's kind of gloomy, as you can tell. But like during the day, if it just starts raining, or like in the evening and you just sit there looking out the window, it's really soothing. Especially when it's as aesthetic as something like this. So yeah. I don't know why I'm rambling so much more than usual in this, but I guess things like this make me talkative. But anyway, they did a beautiful, beautiful job. Their vocals are incredible. The music video is amazing. The song just sounded so beautiful, and I'll definitely be going back through the lyrics fully to like really grasp the idea of the song and the meaning behind it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like, you can follow me on Instagram at Alice on the Internet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.